Hello, what's up everyone? So for today's episode, Cliff is actually so attached with his blanket. This blanket is actually dirty, and as what you can see, it's already on the laundry area. Yep, you hear me right. That's our laundry area. It's literally not a laundry area, it's just the area where we put our dirty clothes. So right now, as what you can see, Cliff is really so attached with his blanket even if it's smelly. And right now he's hugging and sleeping, leaning on it. I apologize if you can see that the house is so messy. That is because Cliff is playing. So right now I was trying to exchange that blanket to his new blanket, and as what you can see, he really loves his blanket, and if he saw that he really wants to lean on it, it's like he wants to sleep already.
What do you want? Huh? What? Wala na si ate. Ate. Uy, ang binay mo. Buhok kayo na iyahang gidala. Labanan.
In here, Cliff is actually with his other blanket, and that's what you can see, he's leaning on it.
Ano? Ano naman? Ganun ka na imo blanket? Ha? Oy. Radcliffe! Awa kayo kay. Mura siya gimingaw atong kuana ba? Gimingaw siya atong ba? Iyang gikuha sa labhanan. Uy. Oh. Well. Let's eat na, let's eat. Oh. Unsa ka, be? Unsa ka, Cliff? Unsa ka na? Radcliffe! Cliff! Radcliffe! Ba? Hindi ko mamansin ang baby. Oh. Cliff! Ah, wala na lang. Unsabi, unsabi, unsabi. Leave. Anak. Hoy! Ba't ka uri kakaunak? Saan to?